things that you don't have time or desire to do in
Wednesday morning.
The very first starting
Wednesday morning in the rain. We've got the trailer brought down. We didn't do nothing. Well, we did do something. I didn't film anything yesterday because it was just meters, like over and over and over again. I mean, you can only watch so many taps being made and 3/4 inch brass couplings being put on. So, yeah, we got quite a few meters down yesterday. I didn't film any of it. It was a muddy mess. Weather was nice. Today, it is raining. It's supposed to rain for another couple hours. So we're gonna bail out of here. Go get our broken Mini. Get it loaded up on the trailer I brought with me this morning. Get it back to the shop. Probably start working on it. Our new boom was supposed to be in Monday. It was not. We haven't heard anything yet. It's Wednesday, so I don't know. I don't know where it's at. Guess we'll find out. So let's go get this thing loaded up, and we're probably going to head back to New London with it. Get it put in the shop. Probably start taking it apart. Let's get this paperweight loaded up. It's definitely not right. I'll say that. Is it getting more bent?
Maybe.
It does look worse. Huh. Hold strong. Never, ever gonna listen to Brandon.
What?
You heard me. Nobody's listening to you. Every time we go to do stuff around here, he leaves, so.
Doing, man?
That ladder will hold that boom up. It's like a that's tight.
Going the right way, right?
I don't know. This what's it? What's the weight on it?
It's 3 foot 9 inches. 6 foot 225.
We don't need two of them.
Well, I need somebody to hold this wrench.
What do you need?
Somebody to hold that wrench.
Ronnie don't want to do this?
Huh?
You sure Ronnie don't want to do this?
Oh, I bet he don't. I don't want to do it either. Brandon, I found a blue towel.
They're right there. They're right here the whole time.
I need to go get some more zip ties.
I would go get zip ties, towels, hand cleaner. What else?
Well, I can't get all that dog anymore.
You can get most of them there.
Probably gonna want a oil dry.
Oil dry.
Can I pee? I might have to take Brandon with me if I gotta get all that shit. Make me a list.
I only told you like 3 things.
Sound like a lot more.
It's like
Hey.
Brandon though. I told
Let's-
him. I said,
Before we get too carried away here, them are the ones, what are these? Oh, they're going to that,
That's
so they
just
ain't
the
nothing
stick.
gonna happen anyway.
No.
But,
I'm just taking the stick stuff loose. So we can
well,
get the
I
stick
wanna
off.
see if we move the boom, if it's gonna,
It should.
it shouldn't.
Yeah.
If we just
Because
move
it
the
won't
boom.
open that valve.
Is that stick all the way up right now?
I don't think so.
Like it.
Yeah, it's probably close. Yeah. But I don't know that for sure.
Yeah, I
Why?
think
You gotta devise a plan to get that pin out and get that off there somehow.
Well, so it don't,
Oh, we can block it up.
Like, shit. That's
we
true.
might have to get a jack under it anyway to
Get those pins off.
get those 2 pins out.
Maybe we can get some blocks in there too. I don't know. I don't know either.
Are y'all gonna take the lead lines off of it?
No.
They're loose up there.
Yeah,
Oh,
everything's
keep
loose.
it.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Keep hitting it. Hit it some more.
Huh?
You gotta keep hitting it.
Oh, you're not. I thought you had
I
it.
can hit it.
There it is. Now remember how that come apart, Brandon?
Oh, I didn't know you still had your
Yeah, I got
thing
this
in
in
there.
there.
That's
where it rained around.
Ready?
Yeah.
How do you got one track the other way?
Ooh.
It's level, it's level now, so it's good, but yeah.
Shims.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, we got a few shims in there.
See what we done.
Not as many on that side though.
Why don't these just stay where I want them to stay?
Just put a jack on
Let
that
it
side and roll it out.
They ain't doing anything anyways.
Yeah.
Wanna now put a smaller block on
Let's
it?
have one shim on one side and
I don't think we need to.
Just to get my
4 on
jack
the
out?
other.
Huh?
Oh.
It's not easier to put them
Yeah.
Roll it out that way.
Did you see that? Yeah.
No.
4 shims
Let's
on
go
this
that
side,
way.
1 on that side.
Oh my.
Want room out?
That's like, that's
Well, no, but we're gonna be bringing the other boom in this way. We don't want that fucking back way. We don't like to move shit too.
Get there.
Squirt oil.
I heard some oil.
It's gonna be heavy.
Oh my.
Can you do it?
You
I
need help?
slide it.
Just take a bar up in there.
Yeah, I was just sliding. I wouldn't just pick it up.
It's gonna be
That's
heavy.
why I was sliding it.
It's only 4.
No, that's good. 100 pounds.
Somebody
That's
pick
like
that
200.
Matt's got
Man
that.
on that side or?
Matt's got the gloves on.
Use jack.
Yeah.
Roll it in.
Just pull it over.
Yeah. See?
Steady, Brandon.
I'll try.
Oh, easy now.
Catching.
Cause you ain't
You ain't sliding.
I'm not sliding no more. I'm in there. I found a hole.
It's out of the way. There's no holes in this floor.
Found a little chip in the concrete, I think.
Man, you're strong.
I couldn't pick it up.
Yeah, but.
This was my side. It's looking pretty good.
Should I talk to Jack?
Yeah.
That's about ready to pull off there.
Well, my side looks like it's done.
Your side?
Yeah, it's the side I was working on
When?
before we left.
Nah, that should all just come right back up.
Yeah, right.
Set right back in there.
Right where it goes.
Think we need to go get the skid steer?
We're gonna need something though, huh?
Probably gonna need something to put it back on.
There's some sort of a relief valve on it. That
I say
might be
we
what
put
that
that
is
up
right
there.
there, Nathan.
okay.
Let's run a chain around it here and then we can hold it up here.
It's gonna have something to do with that thing right there. It's dripping a little bit.
Brandon, crack that line loose.
Why don't you just get a pin loose and drop a cylinder down?
I guess you can do that.
That's what I did.
Closer to the ground.
Yeah. Me and Brandon can hold it up.
Yeah, let's get close to the ground. Then we could use that and wrap
Grab
it there.
that pin out there and then do that
That's
there.
gotta be what that is
And
in
then
there.
you
It
flip
must
that
just be a
over and then you
relief,
just take that right off.
some kind of a, cause it won't go down if,
Surely. That's good.
Watch out, Brandon.
Oh boy. DNR is gonna be in here.
We're catching it all.
you can see the stuff that we caught. We caught about a quart or a gallon on the floor.
About to lose it. About to miss it.
I went too fast, didn't I?
Start missing. Oh, you're gonna have to move it. Oh my God.
Go ahead, move it.
Well, we move this way.
No, back.
Just do it.
It's gonna fly.
That's a good taste.
Want that block?
No, Nathan wants it on the ground. We've already been through this. Oh God, this is moving.
Here, it's going at an angle. That's
It about knocked me over. Hey.
We don't want the
yeah,
bar
I
hitting.
stopped. Yeah. It's still pulling it though.
It's a little twisted.
I wonder why.
Huh.
You
That
could probably,
could work out a lot better. Slower.
you could probably tighten that back up, maybe.
Back up. Yeah.
Brandon, you got the hoses in the oil dry again. That should just slide right out of there.
It did, see? That slid right out of there.
Maybe we'll get a barner and yeah.
Got a bar and put in that notch.
Looking.
Yeah. It's right there.
Pry bar. Where's that little one?
The tire tools?
Just that little one. The little pry bar I had out that you found.
Brandon's going for the big Oh, nice.
Yeah, get out from underneath of it.
Nice work, Brandon.
Yeah. Probably pull out by hand now.
That went way easier than I thought it was going to. Give her some more, Brandon.
Back in there.
No, there's no way.
Hey, y'all wouldn't stand there.
Ain't going nowhere.
Still got one on it.
Yeah. Oh.
Pull on it.
There you go. Oh, you're putting that pin back in.
How fucking long is it? There it's out. She whoppered off a little bit.
Yeah, it did a little something there.
Well, this shit down here's the crooked it's bound to.
Yeah. You get this side out, Brandon?
Hey, remember that your dog peed on your jacket so you can wash it.
Hey, try it.
That's funny shit.
Ready?
I wish I'd been here.
He didn't just pee a little bit.
mean,
He
it
peed
was
a
like-
lot.
He had to go.
Big dog pee. That was.
Easy.
Man, I can't believe how easy those pop out. It's free.
There.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Huh.
So
bound up.
I don't know
somewhere?
if we can move this back.
So you got it.
There it goes. It moved up.
Yeah, but we're gonna need to move it back and then still get the forklift. So we can let it down.
We're gonna have to just let it down right where it's at and bring the forklift in.
I think we can get in and turn the forklift.
Yeah.
Go over there, David. Oh, gotta go over there, guy.
Finally put that boom truck to use we bought, huh, Brandon?
About time. Take a lot of money for that thing. Never got to use it. He's good.
Yeah, he ain't gonna hit.
He's fine. Just kidding.
See you later, old boom.
There it goes.
Oh man, that looks funny.
Yeah.
Lay it down when he